Class 5 English. Okay, we'll start today our essay 2 syllabus. We'll start. So from here your essay 2 syllabus starts. Okay, now see. If dreams were true. Okay, what is this? If dreams were true. Now, if the dream were true that I dream, you know dream that comes when you sleep at night, dreams comes to you. Okay, whatever you think, you usually that comes to your dream. What you think? Now see. So, if the dreams were true that I dream, what a wonderful world it would seem. The poet is telling, if the dreams that I dream come true, it will be a wonderful world. I would ride a black pony and call it Bess. Then he would ride a black pony, a small horse pony, and call that horse Bess. And marry a real live, lovely prince, and marry a lovely princess with hairs of golden hue, means shade, golden color shade. Wouldn't you, if your dreams came true? Wouldn't you think of good thing if your dreams were come true? Yes. Now next. If the dream that I dream at night didn't vanish, means go away. Vanish means to go away. Go away, didn't vanish away in the light. Means when you, the dream that I dream at night, when it becomes morning, your dreams vanish. Your dreams go away, isn't it? So didn't vanish away in the light. I never would walk. Then if my dreams were true, I would never walk. But away I would fly. But he would fly away to the birds which sing above so high, which singing above so high in the sky, under the heaven's own blue sky. Wouldn't you like to fly if your dreams were true? The poet is telling, asking, if your dreams were true. Okay, so the poet is telling, if my dreams were true, I would marry a lovely princess with golden color. I would ride a black pony. Okay, I would ride a black pony. Okay, then here, if dreams at night did not vanish during the day, then he would fly away. He would not walk. Instead of walking, he would fly away in the sky and go to the birds to sing so high, who's singing so high in the sky. And he's asking, wouldn't you? So this is the poem. This is a poem. It's about a dream. Okay, the poet is dreaming what would happen. Okay, the poet wishes the dream to come true. Now next, look. New word is vanish and hue. Vanish means to go away, vanish away. And hue is color of shades. Now, how to look into a dictionary? Have you ever read the word vanish? Now, how will you search the meaning of the vanish now? First, step by step, follow now. Turn the page where the word begins with V. Use the guide word given on the top of the page. Always notice the first and the last word. Okay, you have to notice the first and the last word given on the page. Look at the different meaning of the word vanish. The meaning would be appropriate for the given content. Now, the meaning of vanish as given in the dictionary: to disappear, means to go away, disappear suddenly, any way that you cannot explain. Okay, now see. This is the way to look in the dictionary. Now you will find, same way you will find the meaning of the word hue from the dictionary. First you look for the word H, then you'll find the word H with hue and find out the meaning written hue. Let's do this one. Tick the correct answer. If dreams were true, the world would seem wonderful. Next, the poet dreams of marrying a real life lovely princess. Okay, the poet thinks that usually dreams vanish during the day. The dreams vanish during the day. The poet wants to fly to the birds. Now, answer the question. Do you dream? This one you will do by yourself. This will be your homework. Do you dream? Yes, we dream. What was the dream that you dreamt last? You have to write about your dream. Do you wish all your dreams to come true? Yes, obviously we wish our dreams should come true. What is daydreaming? Daydreaming means dreaming during the day. Dreaming during the day is daydreaming. Have you ever been caught while daydreaming? Yes. Sometimes you sleep during the day and you dream. Okay. Daydreaming means dreaming during the day. Okay. So have you ever been caught while dreaming? Suppose you are looking at something and you are dreaming of something else. So that is called daydreaming. Okay. Have you ever been caught while daydreaming? Yes. If it's no, then no. You write. This one you'll do by yourself. Question answers. This will be your homework. And these are some words, rhyming words. Night, dream, seem, stream, cream, scream, light, sight, might, Dame, name, bame. Okay, I think finish for today this much. Okay, thank you.